everyone, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a really quick video. I was shooting a TikTok doing an ugly Christmas sweater as a wreath. As I was filming my TikTok, I decided that I was going to do a real quick YouTube tutorial because I have a feeling a lot of people are going to ask how I made it. It was really easy. You don't have to spend a lot of money. The things that I used to put this together were purchased at Dollar General. But this is a garland that I stitched together using very short segments, and a 15-foot garland, a bow, and a little container full of ornaments. So I'm going to show you how I did it. This is what it looks like afterwards. This is all I'm doing to create the sweater. I took pieces of, I didn't even have a full garland. So I took, these are, I think from Dollar General. It was a bag of little short segments, and all I did was string them in a row and kind of wrap them on themselves at the ends to create a garland that was long enough for the sweater. And then I took a 15-foot garland, I cut the rest of it off and just wrapped it around, and then did the same thing, like on the ends, I wrapped it back on each other. And then all I'm doing is taking these, I think this was $1. Yeah, it was from Dollar General. There's a pack of them. There's about 15 in here. And all I'm doing is taking the bulb apart, and then to further secure these two garlands together, I'm just taking the hook and putting it around the garland and then reassembling. It's hard to do and hold, but I'm just going to put that collar back on and then the bulb and then attach it. When I'm done with that, I'm just going to take black thread because I want to be able to wash this sweater and use it off season. So I don't want to make this too permanent and like attach it with hot glue or anything. So I'm going to take black thread and just kind of tack it along the sweater and probably up around this arm part along here. And then I will somehow probably attach this in the center with probably all, I don't know about sewing it. I don't know how I'll attach that in the end. Actually, it might be a good idea to weave this through before I attach it. I just kind of found an area where I could weave that in there and then take it through the center, as you can see, and then back out the other side. And I think that this is about center. So I'm just going to continue to add bulbs, and that looks about equidistant. I might have to adjust here. After I have all of these bulbs connected, then I will go ahead and just take black thread and just tack it very loosely, just so that when I'm wearing this, it doesn't come falling off. So to sew this together, I actually attached it on each side about 4 different places. That way it is pretty much secure and doesn't move around too much when I move around. Now you want to make sure that you know how you're going to wear this, because I intended for it to show this way. I probably would have to really take the sweater and situate it so that that would work. I don't know that it's going to. I think this is going to be the kind of sweater that I do a wreath like this, with my arms in the down position. So I hope this video was inspiring. If you have an ugly Christmas sweater party to go to, something that like this would be perfect. It's actually kind of cute. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Please subscribe to me. And until next time, take care.